back to our channel.
I'm Nikki.
I'm Ben Jack.
And we are here at Kings Island for the haunt.
And
Yes.
we are Oceanside Coasters if you did not know. If you did. But if you also didn't know, you should subscribe, you know?
Press the follow button.
You know,
Hit
it's
the
free.
notification. It's free. So
Why not do it? Also hit that bell notification while you at it.
we are ready. Show them the eyes.
We are ready for this haunt.
We are here for it.
It's a little sprinkling right now.
Okay.
It's okay. We ain't gonna let no rain stop us.
No, now we are ready to haunt.
Bernaina, are you afraid? Girl, let's go get some Tom and cheese.
Yes, let's go.
That way. Oh, shit. Shoot. He taller than him. Look at Diamond back in the night, Fran. So artistic with it. And Tom and cheese. No. But what is Rivertown Reaping? Let's Oh, look at him, Fran. Nice face. So Diamondback, it was great in the nighttime. I don't even know if y'all can see us.
Oh my God.
It's dark, they can't even see us.
That's okay, we're here.
We're here.
Oceanside is here.
It's in the mother-loving building.
Yeah.
Do not enter.
That's what we're doing, right?
Yup, don't go in the shed.
Go in the shed.
So how was Mystic Timbers?
Amazing. Don't go in the shed.
I repeat, do not go in the shed. Oh, friend, look, you about to get it. Oh?
Are you videoing me?
Yeah. I whip my hair back and forth. I think we should hit the beast.
I'm with it.
Night rides on the beast is legendary. Oh, there's your piggy friend.
I don't like that. Scary. I don't like that.
You gotta follow the footsteps to the beast, friend.
I see them. Oh, you got a good time.
Watch out for her, she'll chew you up. Whoa, here she go. She's a man eater.
Hey, can I get a picture?
You ready for that? You in Hans mode? Ow. Okay.
Hey, everybody stay together.
Oh, you got a tall man, friend.
This is funny.
Oh, that was it. Friend, Worlds of Fun, Peter was better. Rest in peace, Vortex.
This is Vortex.
Rest in peace.
Little pieces.
All right. Pipe down.
See you never.
Unless it ends up in Michigan Adventure. This is trippy. So how was Chaos?
Oh my gosh, that was freaky, scary.
It was very trippy. We were exploring about Chaos, Orion, since we in Area 71.
That was so spooky and scary.
Trippy.
Amazing. I love it.
How's your
Have a
haunt?
great night, guys. Thank you for.
Gosh,
This haunt is what?
amazing.
It's cracking. I've been scared multiple times.
You're a big guy.
Yeah. Got her.
Wake up. Wake up, bud.
Oh. Take out the trash, friend.